What are we looking at here?
That's a safe from the bank, I guess. Or blacksmith, as it were.
Well, I mean, we're standing in the middle of what used to be a building?
Probably. Well, here's the cistern. I sure didn't move it. They closed it off pretty good, though. Talk about your negligence.
I think that rebar's thick enough. It's probably tired too much for this whole house. It's like the movie The Ring. Right. Remember how deep that is? Not very deep.
No.
Worse yet, give it up to not kill it.
I've never seen such a pretty one.
That's gotta be a rare species.
That's probably we discovered it. I've never seen that in my life.
Jesus.
That's a big one too.
Red, black.
Where's the next stop, Mr. Nettles?
About half a mile down the road.
It's been half a mile.
I said that.
Oh,
Will there be evil killer grasshoppers?
No.
or cheek biting little bastards.
There'll probably be a dead waterfall, but hey, you gotta get the whole picture when you gotta ride the screen.
You guys are crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Here I go. Especially with the pig feces floating in it.
Can you imagine how many people must have used this as a cave or as a little
Shelter.
all kind of animals there?
I wonder how long it will take for this explode cave in.
Probably about 3 minutes is how long it took.
400 more years.
I'll see you dive into that pool.
Follow you. Something slipped here. Slipped with me.
Oh shit. That's okay, you can swim back. There's no leeches in there.
Little wet trash there.
I'll do it.
No, my camera can not.
Yeah, okay, you hold the camera. Here you go.
I'll tell you what.
I'll go first, since John has sandals on.
Let me get by you. There's nothing worse.
You don't have any towels in the car, do you? Okay. Are you serious? So I'm gonna go like over there. Are you sure it is?
Oh, it is slick mud. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I thought it was dry. Oh, it's just dry and run around it like a motorcycle.
Yeah.
That would be easier just to jump down there and walk over.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Go play in the waterfall. Oh, I was trying to show it to you. Something you pass by all the time and you never think to stop, you know?
Whoa!
Yeah, if you're starting to fall, don't fight it, just run and leap. Because it's one of those where the mediocre fall can be what kills you. Yeah, you gotta go all tilt. Alright. You gotta touch the ground there. I'll tell my wife.
Gotta be the aggressor.
Anybody?
Not the aggressee.
Well, there's your waterfall. That makes for a good picture, too. If you can catch it right, you know.
Yeah.